Hello guys, this is Jayvee of Infinity Brackets, and today's video is about basic networking in Cisco Packet Tracer. So in this video, you will learn how to configure router, network using Telnet, the use of terminal. So let's start. So first, you need a router and a WAN end device, and connect them with copper crossover using the PAS Internet interface. First thing that we need to do is configure the console of router. So I will show you how to configure it. So go to CLI, type no, enable, and then type configure terminal. Hit enter. Then use the command line console 0. So we are now inside the line and we need to set a password on our console. So password, and I will set console pass, and next command is login, and we need to exit the line. Next, I will show you how to access the CLI using the PC through terminal. So click terminal and you hit this OK. You see it's blank because you need to connect first this console wire. So from RS232 to console, and when you go back to the PC, just click again terminal and you can now configure over here. Next thing that we need to do is to set a host name on our router. So I will click this PC on the terminal and I will type host name and the desired name, which is I will put Infinity Brackets. Hit enter and you see this router change into Infinity Brackets. So next thing that we need to do is to set a password on the enable. So type enable password, enable pass, and you need also to type enable secret, enable pass. So this means the enable password will set this enable pass, but only on a plain text. But this enable secret will encrypt this enable pass. So next is we'll set a banner Motd. So I will put unauthorized and hit enter. So this banner Motd will display when you need to log in on the console or on the router. So next, use the service password encryption to encrypt the plain text. And next, we will set a Telnet password. First, we already set the console password and also the enable password on the enable secret. And right now, we will set a Telnet password. To set it, type line bty 0 space 4, enter, and we are now inside the bty line. So type password and I will set Telnet pass and type login and exit. Next thing that we need to do is to configure the interface FA/0. So type interface pass Ethernet 0/0 and hit enter. And to set an IP, just type IP address, then the IP that we want to set, which is I will set 192.168.1.1, then followed by the subnet mask. Enter, type no shutdown, and you'll see it says pass internet 0/0 change state to up. Then to exit the interface. After that, I will show you how to ping using the command prompt of the PC. We will ping the router 0 IP of FA 0/0. So if we hit that, so nothing's happened because we didn't configure the IP configuration on the PC. So let's type its IP 192.168.1.2 and hit tab for the subnet mask. And the default gateway is the router 0's IP, where the PC directly connected to the FA 0/0 interface. So if we try again to ping it, so it's reply and it means okay. So they are now connected. Next thing that I will show to you is how to use the telnet command on the command prompt. So just type telnet space the IP of the router, which is 192.168.1.1. And when you hit enter, this banner Motd that I set earlier, and it says user access verification, and right now it requires a password to enter. So let's try it again. Password here is the Telnet pass, and we hit enter. We are now on the router CLI. We can now configure over this command prompt. If we type enable, it will ask a password, so we will need to type the enable pass, enter, and figure terminal, and that's it. So exit. What is the difference of console pass to telnet password? The telnet password, you will use this to enter the router using the telnet command. The console is on the CLI of the router. So if I hit exit right here, so if I type console pass, it will enter our router. So if I try to type telnet pass, so it means wrong because it requires me again a password. So that's it. That's all for today, and hope this video will help you, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you.